explain this issue in English for our African patriots. So 3 o'clock today, they're swearing him in as a councillor. Now, after he gets sworn in as a councillor, it's only then when you can become a MMC. You can't become a MMC if you are not a councillor. So today at 3 o'clock, he's being sworn in as a councillor. That's one. 2 on the agenda. I just need to tell you why we are taking this drastic decision. I'm going to be very quick on that because I want to talk about other stuff. The ANC is our strategic partner. We've got an alliance with them. We are in coalitions with them. We are in government with them, national government with them. So what has happened is that the ANC, without notice, without telling us, we made a deal in city of Joburg that we'll get 2 MMCs, roads and transport, and we will get housing, I think, in Ekurhuleni. Then in Ekurhuleni, they decided that the EFF said they don't want to work with us. Then the ANC ignored the PA there. That's number one. Number 2, the IFP wanted to come in and they asked us to give the IFP 1 post, our housing portfolio. We didn't fight because we wanted to make the thing big. We wanted to make the coalition strong and big. We gave our housing portfolio we gave our housing portfolio to IFP. We were left with only roads and transport. Then this issue of the DP happened. We then said, let's remove the DP in order to protect the coalition so that they mustn't answer questions regarding our DP. We then put in Liam Jacobs. They then said they don't want Liam. And I said, why wouldn't you want Liam? They said, no, he doesn't have experience. I said, number 1, Liam's got a master's degree, I think. And Liam comes from Parliament. And there's people that's doing the same job as Liam, they don't even have matric. And I said, I take great exception to the fact that Liam, that the ANC think they can tell us who to put in and who not to put in. We are not a branch of the ANC for them to decide who we should deploy. We have our own deployment committee. Then the ANC said, no, they don't want him. Luckily for them, the case of the deputy president was finished, and we want Liam to come and run for City of Cape Town mayor. We want Liam to show Jordan Hill Lewis wat David die wortels begrawe het. Liam is going to expose what's happening in the Cape because people think the Cape is heaven. It is hell for our people. Now here's where it's getting interesting. If you want to close behind me that blind, thank you. This is where it gets interesting. Now they called us and said they want a meeting, the whole PEC of the ANC. All of them. They said Malema doesn't want us to get roads and transport again. Malema. They want to give the post to Malema. We said Malema. Malema. Say for ons, Malema. For ons. I said no. Panyaza was saying to me, no, please. I said, I'm not going to do that. We said, we're not going to do that. Then they removed the PA in Beaufort West. They removed our mayor in Laingsburg. They did this without notifying the Secretary General of the PA. Now we're like, these people are having a silent war against us. Why would you remove? You are in partnership with people. Why would you remove? So I'm telling you facts. Imagine you just wake up. They vote with the DA. to remove our mayor. That's all the things that they've been doing. We said, fine. We've been talking to them behind the scenes. We've been talking to them. I've been talking to everyone except the president. Because I don't want to run to the president with issues that we can sort out here. Then we tried everything. We are now, as the president of the PA, I must now wait for a regional leader of another party to make up his mind. A regional leader must now tell the president of the PA, that's not right. I can't have President Cyril Ramaphosa speak to our regional leaders. I said, no, that's fine. If you are going to remove, if you're not going to bring in Deputy President Kenny Kunene, you're not going to fix Ekurhuleni, you're not going to do this stuff. Why is it that we are still in coalition with you? I then said, we are going to withdraw from all our coalitions. But as a leader, it is unfair. You must never, as a leader, ask people to do what you don't want to do. Those people are going to get less now. The speakers, the MECs, they're going to get less. Why am I asking people to stand back while I'm still at the table? It doesn't work like that. So I then said, if they don't appoint, if my people stand back, I must also stand back as a minister. They must think I'm here for blue lights. They think I'm living the high life, not knowing my personal circumstances. So I'm not going to ask Evan to stand back, Sharifa to stand back, Yuna to stand back, all those people to stand back, but I'm not standing back. I can't, I'm not a type of leader. Some of you will say, no, it's short-sighted, don't resign. We are in these problems today because of that type of thinking. Your love for positions makes your tolerance for disrespect very high. We are in this position. In die PA, daar is nie van gee maar net wat jy het, Melanie. Ons staan op wat ons besluit. That is a move. Ek, as die leier van die PA, I heard somebody says, he will never resign, he's bluffing. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. Tuesday morning, watch the movie. This Tuesday morning, after 7 days, I can't come here and publicly and then word ek weer pap. Then they must have offered me something for me to stay. I'm not that type of a leader. Ek val waar my mense val. Ek staan waar my mense staan. Ek is die type of leader. Julle het te gewoond, julle het leaders wat op die tafel sit en alleen eet op die tafel. I can't expect people to resign, then I still stay there. Tuesday morning, if I don't resign, you must never vote for the PA again. You must never. If I don't resign, the only thing that will make me stay is if his Kenny Kunene is being reinstated. Ek sal julle nooit uitverkoop nie. Julle is gewoond vir uitverkopers. Ek is al 20 jaar in die kansel, maar dat niks verander nie. Ek is al 30 jaar in die politiek. Sy het nog nooit iemand anders aan die kind werk gegee nie. Sy het net so familie werk gegee. Ek is die type leaders nie. And some of you that says no press, we're going to lose out if you leave. Yes, we will lose out, but we will still have our dignity. We will still have our dignity. Vir te lang van die mense, onze mense verpoppe. Die mense in Westbury het die water, maar die squatte camp het water. Zimbabweans skryf water. Ek is Dayton McKenzie. Ek sê vir julle vandag, ek val waar my mense val. Van die mense, as hulle nonsens van my skryf, dan staan die mense nog steeds met my. So I just thought ek moet hy van my bors afkry. Ek gaan nooit vir jou stuur, dan loop ek agter jy. Ek moet voorloop. Ek moet eers die danger sien. Ek is mos die leier. So to everyone that advise me, press, you're making a big mistake. We can lose. We have been losing. Ons is gewoon vir verloor. Maar een ding wat die PA ons almal gegee het, ons het ons dignity terug. Ek kan alles verloor, but I can't lose our dignity. I can't lose our dignity. We are the only party that can bring black, white, Indian, colored together. So I wanted the patriots to know, because the media is calling me like crazy. If they bring Kenny Kunene back, what they are doing, you don't see what they are doing. They are slowly making people lose respect for me. You attack my people, I do nothing. You attack my people, I do nothing. Come 2026, people will not respect the leadership of the PA, because the leadership of the PA makes them to be disrespected. I've already been approached by 4 parties. Some even called Fadil. Talk to that man, because they know I'm close to Fadil. I want to make it clear here, I'm not those people that were at the PA. Then they leave the PA. Elke dag in die PA vat hulle foto's van my. Elke dag. When they leave the PA, dan hoor jy, hoe sleg is ek. Maar hulle het lyne gestaan om in my pizzas te vat. Ek, President Cyril Ramaphosa, decided to make me a minister. I'm not going to turn against that man, because I'm fighting with his organization. Ek gaat die vote. To all the parties, I want you to know, I'm not going to vote with you in the vote of no confidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa. Ek is nie 'n slang nie. I'm going to vote for Cyril Ramaphosa, even when I'm outside. I need to make that clear, because ek is loyal. Ek sal nooit in die vote of no confidence. You can offer me, now we can make you deputy president, we can make you this. You can offer me anything. Ek is nie 'n slang in die paradys nie.